Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share how to do turn in jump rope. There are many turning techniques. As long as I know there are 7 techniques, I already made the tutorial. Please take a look on the link below. So the one that I'm going to teach you today is called Texas 360. As you can see, I use my right foot as a pivot, and I use my left foot to help me to turn. So, for example, from basic bounce, 4 or 5 times, then I put my left foot in front of me, then turn 360, then continue again. First step, make sure you have a decent set swing and basic bounce. Also, if you want to master the set swing and jump, it's very beneficial for you because the turn technique is, from my opinion, very cool if executed from set swing and jump. I usually train my best side first, but please train also your weak side. Please be patient when learn this technique. By the time you will be able to do it faster. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial helpful. See you on the next tutorial.